Guys, nindot kayo ilang setup diri guys sa pantry. Ang silay. Misty, pineapple juice, choco powder, milk powder, and I don't know what is this. I think this is cream. White sugar and cream. Like coffee mate, and here's the glasses and the spoon and the heater, and look at that guys, it's so nice. The setup is very neat. And nasi auntie guys. Sige. Ang masakyan guys, nindot kayo.